Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. So today guys, I'm about to show you how I clean my vegetables and fruits. Also, you guys gonna help me put my grocery away. Alright, so let's get that done. I have 3 bags of grocery. So I no longer live near Trader Joe's, so when I go to Trader Joe's I make sure that I buy as much things that I need for the month, so I don't have to keep going back and forth. Right, let's start with the first bag. This big thing right here. So I got me these mushrooms. Always get these, okay? They're like really healthy snacks. They're all healthy snacks, so they're good. And I eat them with peanut butter. I put peanut butter on everything. FYI, in case you were waiting, like I was season 5 of Virgin Island. It's coming back. It's back. It's back. My friend just texted me, Virgin. No. What do you call these? I forgot. They're like yellow melon. Let me know in the comment section what do you call these? Yellow melons, right? I don't know why I bought this bread. I really don't know. Like, I thought it was gonna be like sweet and tasty. Something told me not to get it, but I was hungry. No, it smells like eggs.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow, I think I'll chew it. To be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my